Good morning. Today we're gonna do a couple of bear traps in our greenhouse. This is mostly because I can see the tracks of the snails on the perspex. Let me show you. We can see it all around. You can see the lines, and usually that means we have either slugs or snails running around. It's not that they cause a huge problem, but as I'm putting strawberries in here, I don't want them to be destroyed. So let me fix the angle. And first, all we need is either a cup. This one has a filter, so I can remove the snails, pull them out without emptying the cup, or just a normal cup. The better the straight edges, it's better. So let me dig it, and we'll put it flush to the soil. So we're gonna dig here a deep hole, and we're gonna put it inside and put the soil, top the soil around it to the brim. After we fill it to the brim with the soil, we compact it a bit, and then all we need is to fill it with beer. Let me go. Now we just fill at least an inch or two with beer. So we fill it up with beer. This is no advertisement. So it's frotting on top, don't worry, it will go away. I'll put another cup in the corner. The beer, its fermentation process will attract the snails and slugs. Hopefully tomorrow I can show you how many slugs we have caught. Hi there. It's been a couple of days since we put the bear traps, and we can see that we have something inside of this one. Let us check. So there we can see we have 2 slugs, and we have a slug and a slug, a decollated snail, and a common snail. So with this bear trap we caught 2 slugs and 2 snails in total. This means that the greenhouse is free from slugs. So hopefully you can see the tomatoes growing up. The strawberry is doing fine. In fact, we have a flower coming too. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.